Sharing files over a Windows network is really quite simple, and it's really convenient as well. In order to start the process, all you have to do is first know your computer's name, the file and folder you want to share, and then a few other tips. To find out your computer's name, go to a new Explorer window and click on System Properties. If you're on Windows 7, just go to Start and right-click Computer and click Properties. Next, under Computer Name, Domain and Workgroup Settings, you'll see your computer's name, your full computer name, and your workgroup. My computer's name is Todd8, which stands for Todd and Windows 8, but yours may be something like Dell or HP Pavilion if you haven't changed your name from the manufacturer. In order to change the name to something recognizable when you're sharing files and folders, click on Change Settings. Next, you want to name your computer something like Liam's computer or Adam's PC. Something that is easy, and you also, I recommend not having spaces because sometimes it doesn't like that. So something one word like Liam PC, something like that. It can be capitals, but just click Apply and OK. Then we want to go back out to our Explorer window, and we want to find a folder we want to share. I'm going to share my Pictures folder here. So I'm going to right click it, click on Share With. Now you see these things here, Stop Sharing and Share. Share is a dedicated user account that I've set up. You don't have to do that. And Stop Sharing, I'm not sure why that's there. I'm not actually sharing that folder. But we want to click on Specific People. If you're on your own network, all you have to do is click this drop down box here and click on Everyone. Then click Add. Then we can choose the permission level. Read only allows the other user or yourself to read if you're coming in from another computer to look at the files on this computer. Read and write, however, allows the user or you to write another folder. So if you have a friend who has a few photos on their computer, you want those photos on your computer, I'd select Read and Write. If you just want the friend to be able to see your photos and not edit them or not add their own, just select Read Only. Then click Share, and then you'll see here that there's a path. That's more for advanced users, but by all means, that's what it looks like. Then click Done. Also note, shared items aren't available when your computer is asleep, so you have to have your computer on all times if you want to have access to the shared folders. Next, in order to access the folders on another computer, you have to open up a new Explorer window, then click on Network. Your computer may come up with a message up the top here saying to turn on file sharing and printer folders. So just click the button and then click Share or Turn On. If that isn't there, click on Network and Sharing Center, then click Advanced Sharing Settings, and make sure these options are ticked. Then click Save Changes and close the window, and then these little blue boxes with computers on will come up. For example, I've already got one here called My Server. Now let's double click it. There's no password on it because it's set to everyone. And then that's it. These are all the folders that are being shared. And you can access them, you can do whatever you want with them as long as you are on the network. Now a few tips. If you're on Wi-Fi, it will be slower than running it through an Ethernet cable. If you have access to an Ethernet cable, I do strongly suggest that you use that for the time being, because it will be faster and you will get greater transfer speeds. This also does depend on the speed of your hard drive. If you're transferring from an old computer, an old HD, it will be slower. It also depends on your Ethernet port and a few other factors, but if you're on Wi-Fi, it will still work. It will just be a bit slower transferring large folders like your photos, for example. So that's how to share folders. If you want to stop sharing those folders, all you have to do is go to the folders, right click, Share With, and stop sharing. If not, just click on here, click Everyone, and click Remove, and then click Share. That is sharing files and folders on a Windows PC. I hope you enjoyed it. I think I've answered every question. Please don't forget to thumb up the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post quite frequently, but I'm getting more and more each day. Thank you again, and if you have any questions, don't feel hesitant to drop them down in the comment section below. Thanks again, and have a nice day.